Alright guys, we just got out here. It's about 7 in the morning and we're going to try to catch some fish. We see a ton on the graph just right here, so we might swing around and try to catch those. But we're going to try to catch some on top water at first, then fish head spin probably, and then Carolina rig and jig and worm also. We're just trying to get a good limit today. We were going to have a tournament, but we decided not to because everybody backed out of it. But yeah, we're going to try to catch some of these fish we see right here. We'll get back to you with some more fish. Bryce just caught this good 1.5 pounder, almost 2 pounds probably, on this little buzzbait right back in this little cut back here. Try to get back to you with some more fish. Just got this nice little spotted bass right here on this Strike King Sexy Dog Junior. Gotta get the treble hook for this one. There we go. A little one just blew up on the seawall right here. Casting this spook, this Strike King Sexy Dog Junior right down the side of it, and just caught this little one. Oh. Close up right there. This is a largemouth.
It is?
Yep. Just got this largemouth right here, probably a pound, on this fish head spin. I had a swimming caffeine shad in like smoke color or ghost, whatever it's called. But real good. Just cast it down in this cut again, where we caught our first fish. We haven't caught one in a while, and just got this little real skinny largemouth, probably a pound. We'll try to back to some more fish.
Get it started.
Gosh, these spots are crazy. There you go. Another little one, but it's a fish. It's been like 30 minutes since that largemouth you guys just saw, and we're gonna try to get some more for you guys. Got it on the same rig as last time, the fish head spin. I think it's like a shad color. The head is. I'll let you guys see that real quick. See the head? It's like a shad color. And then this is actually ghost shad. The caffeine shad is. But yeah, here's that fish. I think it's small. Yeah. Real small spot.
Fighting hard.
Yeah.
That one might keep.
No, not at all. I don't know.
It might. I've seen some small fishing tournaments.
Well, there we go. Real small spot up there on the bank with the fish head spin. It's only 12 inches. Gotta be 14 on Lake Lanier. So that one won't keep. Try to get back to you with some more fish.
Just caught this nice largemouth. We saw him swimming on the bank, and we caught him with his fish head spin with a zoomed swimming fluke on the back.